Hi, good evening. So I was just going through the LinkedIn today, and then I suddenly found one document on LinkedIn, which is very important. I feel that this is quite good suggestion. So I thought let's make it video on it. I hope you like it. So 10 golden rules for solving coding questions in an interview. The first rule is if we are dealing with top, maximum, minimum, closest, k elements among n elements, then our friend is here heap. Let me repeat again. If your coding question is something related to finding the top element, finding the maximum element, finding the minimum element, and finding the closest k elements among n elements, we should use heap data structure for this scenario. That, and as per the problem, somewhere you may need max heap, somewhere you may need min heap. But this is the golden rule for this kind of problem where you have to deal with top, maximum, minimum, or closest. Okay. Second one, always if the given input is a sorted array or a list, sorted array or sorted list, we will either be using binary search or the two-pointer strategy. So thumb rule for any problem where the given input is a sorted array or list, our thumb rule is problem is looking for either binary search or the two-pointer strategy. Okay, I hope and yeah, so after reading or viewing this 10 golden rule, you please give the feedback or comment so that if anything I have to answer, I will answer it. Okay, coming back, let's third rule. If we need to try all combination or permutation, if we need to try all combination or permutation of the input, given input, we can either use backtracking or BFS. Okay, so for finding the all combination or permutation, those kind of, the problem in which you have something related with finding all combination or something related with finding permutation, your friend or thumb rule is to use backtracking or BFS, breadth first search. These two approach will definitely solve your combination or permutation problem. Okay. Next golden rule. Most of the questions related to trees or graphs can be solved either through BFS or DFS. Most of the question related to trees or graphs can be solved either through BFS or DFS. Golden rule 5, every recursive solution can be converted into iterative solution using a stack. Golden rule number 5, every recursive solution can be converted to an iterative solution using a stack. Okay. Rule number 6. For a problem involving arrays, if there exists a solution in order of n squared time and order of one space, there must exist two other solutions. One is using a hash map or set, where their complexity is order of n time and order of n space. And if you want to use no extra space, if your interviewer is looking for, then always think for using sorting, which is order of n log n time and order of one space. And after the sorting, you can use two-pointer concept or maybe binary search, okay, to find the particular element. So in this case, your time complexity will be either order of n and space is order of n, or order of n log n and order of one space. Once again, I'm repeating, for a problem involving arrays, and if there exists a solution in order of n square time and order of one space, then there must exist two other solutions. One is using hash and hash map and set, and their time complexity is order of n and space complexity order of n, or using sorting for order of n log n time complexity and order of one space. Next golden rule 7, if a problem is asking for optimization, example maximization or minimization, we will be using dynamic programming. So the 7th golden rule is if a problem is asking for optimization, example maximization or minimization, we will be using dynamic programming. Rule number 8, if we need to find some common substring among a set of strings, we will be using either hash map or a trie. So any problem where you want to find common substring among the given n strings, you always think your friend here is either hash map or trie. So by both data structure, you can achieve the solution. That is what the golden rule 8 is saying, right? Golden rule 9 is saying if we need to search or manipulate a bunch of strings, if we need to search or manipulate a bunch of strings, try will be the best data structure. If we need to search, manipulate a bunch of strings, try will be the best data structure. Rule number 10, if the problem is related to a linked list, if a problem is related to a linked list and we cannot use extra space, then use the fast and slow pointer approach. These are the 10 golden rules for interview. Generally, your maximum problem will fall under these 10 rules, but there are exceptions. So please excuse if you find some other exception, but these are the golden rules. Most of the interview is covering at least few of the question under these categories. Okay, thank you for this short video. I hope you like it. Thank you.